is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized.
Ôi gần khen tỏa in hi siam chơi đồ rượu lutuk hay tiếng bùi liền về thấy khớp mày pan so hey boy bùi mẹ cả I'm just gonna take the food, okay? Don't worry. Lần như đồ lâu thấy lutuk không? So we're gonna eat Guay Tiew, right?
Yeah, we're gonna make Thai tortilla.
Uh-huh.
That's what it's called.
Oh. Bathroom dạ thì hi đồ nó tục. Thiang lim tập ba bedroom hi kalau mong chau. I want to show you bathroom. Yeah. Yeah, just like that. So hi bedroom hi mo thiang lim lutuk. A cute box. Đồ lutuk. Ama hian rong te hi noi ve ka ti hian. Vel ro khop mai. Anu nian chau hian an oma. Thiang lim lutuk.
Recently that.
Mhm.
My bedroom mirror is clean, but then the man made it out. So
It's okay.
I like my mirror to be clean.
Okay. You want to try this? It's so good too.
I didn't try that before.
Yeah.
And
It's
then we got
sunset.
to the store.
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. What is this? I thought.
Meatballs.
Oh, meatballs. Okay. I thought it's eggs.
But then we also have meatballs over here.
Are you start making it or?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I like the way you did this.
So take noodles.
Ama hi Mizo ni lo wangin sapin kanin betlang puya chang le kol tong in kanin bia so min lo thiam don
The
ya.
same thing by this next one.
Yeah.
Take this over here. First, we get the bowls. So take this over here.
Dulu ma cha sok. Nè mẹ sao bị la?
Sabi, shoot me sabi. You cut him down. I don't live in town.
Yeah.
And we also have meat inside it, like the big meats.
Yeah.
But all the surgical.
Yeah, I love beef. It smells so good.
Well, it depends on how much broth you want. How long later from there.
Yeah. Soup tuy cái chỗ đủ zat này mấy. Mani na kan mani na kan đủ zat kan chun mà. Mà hiện chừng vòng rượu tốt mà.
This is how much you want. Spicy do you want?
I want spicy. I can eat spicy. Sweet soy sauce, right? Okay. Oh. Can we eat Thai fan dear? Thai food thì có đủ em nè. Thai in him I love
And
Thai
this
food.
is sugar.
What you need them? Brown sugar.
Peanut already, but if you want a little more.
Badam ang ka.
Okay,
You're not gonna eat it?
I will.
Okay.
This is
What is that? Oh, onion.
I mean garlic.
Prune var. Oh, dry prune var nicho.
This is very little. And this is great sauce.
Ah.
It's kind of like vinegar,
Oh.
but also sour. It's for like the vinegar to cook kind. And then we add chili on there so that we have a little bit sour.
Oh.
We can
That
just
little
kind of mix this.
Yummy.
I'm gonna do another kind for you. The other kind is not gonna have broth though.
Oh yeah? It's like a tawng.
Yeah,
Kind of
so,
tawng.
I'm gonna try that one for you too.
Okay.
Okay, now you try it.
Okay.
This is yours. Okay.
Oh, let's try. Let's try the soup first.
How is it?
Lutuk. So good. A lutuk is mean so good. It's so good. Meatball and on.
Let's see.
Cough. I keep coughing. I keep coughing. Dang vele tungin
This is another kind. Just
another kind. Tu ni chu soup del lawin ama atau chi do lagin ni chu. Kami
of course you wash the thing.
kami anu do saka kami ama bro ta hianin avatsia tun tum chu mo atu ya kha sok to lo ti han.
So then
Okay.
I don't know like it.
You know? I thought he's your brother.
No.
Okay. I don't want them meat too much.
Like this.
Some of them they can speak very well.
Let's see.
So just like that, they don't understand Burmese at all. They understand more in English. Jimmy thâu cá tiểu cho nắng vét tám mà.
Somebody said
Good.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're
You can have one if you like. Get that one.
เอามาซิปยามาซิปยาให้ผมซิปปากยา
what is this? The name of this?
How do we call it?
Yeah, no. What's the like flag for? I know you have different tribes.
That one is one license. One license. We call it one license. Drink and there's specific one for men too.
ตัวนี้เราไม่เสีย
Do you want
No, because you were doing the video.
That's what he said.
But then she moved here. I don't know. Too spicy. Em ăn phải mấy người em ăn phải double rồi mà bị được kia.
What you say?
เราท่านแม่
You work with mortgage.
Oh, you need only?
ไม่เขาบอกยังคงแหว
You helped many people before, right?
I have a lot.
Yeah.
Girl, this is nothing.
Bro, that's so spicy.
I eat. You finish this cup every day?
Of course.
Really?
Yeah.
2 cups, 3 cups a year.
No, it says 2 cups at least.
Tea or water?
I drink at least 1 bottle of water too, and then tea.
I'm sure this is people say like tea is
Garden.
like yeah.
She's gonna take the spot. Like, I have like garage, and then all the way back there I have the tools room.
You put tulips or what?
No,
I love tulips.
maybe you can all of it out because when I bought the house I have to pay, and then my car happened and I have to pay too. But that one.
But that's not life insurance, right? Well, I actually interpret for them. For the ladies. And he brought a check. He told her the more.
He used to say tomale, and then I was, yeah, and I was like, yeah, and then I was.
Hey, thank you for the food.
Yeah,
Bye.
of course. Okay,
Ang lo Thailand akal do na Monday yan. Thailand na zinda. Alright, okay. Thank you. Ren ni mo le me. Sao tu. Chatak. School kal to em. Ai. Kal lo mo. ข้าคุยอังไงกัลโดน
Sunday school akal-akal.
เอ้ยข้าเซนเดสกูไหลกัลโม
Bye-bye.
บ๊ายบายมิโซจงอีวันเทียมเอ็มเวนาวินเอ็ม
Nia.
นายตุงเงียมิง
Denisa.
ตุโม
Denisa.
Oh.
Hello.
เดนิสโมอีดัวเต็ม อ๋อ
Duterte. Hello, kedua.
อุ้ยอีสัมขโมยกันติเอ
Lama.
แล้วแม่ติมินไปเวไม่รออีสัมค่ะ
Quay lầu.
ไปแล้วอ่ะ
Cái mắt tá. Cái mắt sầm lên.
มินไปเวไม่ล่ะอันน้องมาเฮเมลชากันติเจเอบ
Lama.
บายบายค่ะขัลได้รอโซตักกันรอเลย
Ada tree dong.
ไม่ชีดอ่ะตรงนี้เฟียลิตกอันดูเลยป้าเต้นเฟลเล่ไหม